Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. It is alleged that Chadunga Bellarmine Mugabe, youngest son of late former Zimbabwe President Robert Mugabe, and Grace has been living in South Africa illegally per immigration authorities and was previously denied entry. There is a deportation. This emerged amid his arrest with Tobias Mugabe Matonodze for attempted murder after a gardener was shot at their Hyde Park, Johannesburg home on the 19th of February 2026. They are also charged with the firearm possession and defeating justice. Chadunga and Tobias' first court appearance was on the 23rd of February at Alexandra Magistrate Court, and they've been remanded to March 3 for bail. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.